Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to lock cells in Google Sheets. Start by selecting the cells you want to lock. For this example, let's lock the student's course. Then, go to the top menu and click Data. Choose Protect Sheets and Ranges. A panel will appear on the right. Here, enter a description if you want, then click Set Permissions. In the pop-up window, choose who can edit the range. You can restrict it to yourself, which is the default option. If you want to customize access for specific users, click the drop-down and choose Custom, then you can add editors in the field under Add Editors. When you're done, click the green Done button, and the dialog box will show a confirmatory changes saved message. The selected cells are now locked. Others won't be able to change them unless they have permission. So, that is how you lock cells in Google Sheets. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.